Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've talked about this quite a few times. The website Have I Been Pawned, and of course there's a lot of people not understanding what this does exactly. This is just to let you know if you've been in a data breach. It's not a real-time thing. It just goes and checks for data breach and if you were part of some data breach somewhere. So what happens here is that this email that you enter will, if it's associated with any accounts that has been associated with any theft of information in the past, it's going to tell you where, it's going to tell you what type of information. When I tell everybody, if your email has been scooped up here in any other website, make sure that you change your passwords. In general, it's enough. People come back and think it's going to change. It's not. This is just looking at, have you ever been in a data breach at some point? You change your password. This is not going to change the status here. It's very important to understand. But what I want to talk about here is a question that was part of today, which was kind of interesting. It's something that you might not, or you might wonder why, or is it a problem exactly? And it's the fact that you might see in here that in data breach of a website, it tells you that one of the information that it actually was stolen was your phone number. So the question is, what if my phone number is scooped up? What's the danger in that? Well, the danger of a phone number being scooped up by a data breach is that they can use that phone number and one of the sites that was breached to try to lure you into giving a password, or maybe they're going to send you a text message saying, oh, there was a data breach here. Click this link to fix the problem, and then you start giving out sorts of details, including maybe a password for the website. So it's more of a question of they can use the phone number and try to have you give personal information by text messaging, or even it could be somebody that calls you on the phone that pretends to be from so-and-so company and that says, well, we just would like to do some verification. There's been and of course, they do it in such a good way sometimes that it's difficult to understand the truth between, what's true and what's fake in there. So it's very, very important to be careful. So having your phone number scooped is simply increasing the risk of a phishing attempt that's going to try to, get more information from you. So that means if your phone number is scooped up, if you get a phone call from anyone saying that, oh, this is your bank, this is so-and-so company, this is Amazon, this is Google, this is, do not fall for it. Because they will try, and they will try to even make it seem real, because if they get a lot of personal information, say in a data breach, they got your phone number, but they also got your birth date, as an example. They might come up to you and say, are you John Smith, born, September 20th, 1984? And of course, because they have all of that info, you will start thinking that this must be a real thing, because they have so much personal info already on you. So that's where the danger is. It's using all the info that was scooped up and having somebody call you or text you on your phone and trying to actually steal money from you, or get access to accounts by asking you personal information. So never fall for anyone calling you. If somebody calls you about something for a company, tell them, I will call the company myself, not with a number they give you. Go on the web. If it's a bank, call your bank. Say, hey, I'm going to call the bank. I don't want to have somebody from the bank calling me. And it's always mysterious if they ask you very personal information. Remember that no one ever asks you for a password. Never. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.